Hello students, today topic is culture zones of the world. We can see 6 types of culture zones throughout the world. One is Western culture zone. The second one is Islamic culture zone. Third one is Hindu culture zone. Fourth one is Buddhist culture zone. Western culture zone Buddhist culture zone, Southeast Asian culture zone, and sixth one is Negro culture zone. We can see 6 types of culture zones throughout the world. One is Western culture zone. The second one is Islamic culture zone. Third one is Hindu culture zone. Fourth one is Buddhist culture zone. Fifth one is Southeast Asian culture zone. Sixth one is Negro culture zone. Now we are going to discuss the Western culture zone. The Western culture zone is nothing but Christian culture zone. Again, it is classified into 6 types. One is Anglo-American culture zone. The second one is Britain culture zone. Third one is Mediterranean culture zone. Fourth one is Latin American culture zone. Fifth one is Oceania culture zone. Sixth one is Russian culture zone. The Anglo-American culture zone. The Anglo-American culture zone is located in North American continent. Particularly, it distributes USA, Canada and surrounding areas. The Britain culture zone is located in European continent, particularly northwestern part of the European continent, around Britain, Germany and surrounding countries. Third one is Mediterranean culture zone. It is located around the Mediterranean Sea, particularly Portugal, Spain, Greece, Italy, Albania, Slovenia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Croatia and so forth countries. Fourth one is Latin American culture zone. It lies in Middle American countries, particularly around the Caribbean Sea, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, El Salvador, Belize, Bahamas, Antigua and so forth countries. Fifth one is Oceania culture zone. Oceania culture zone or Australasia culture zone. It is in Australian continent and Gilliland continent. Sixth one is Russian Christian culture zone. It is in Russia. So broadly, Western culture zone or Christian culture zone is classified into 6 types: Anglo-American, Britain, Mediterranean, Latin American, Oceania, and Russian. The second major division is Islamic culture zone. Islamic culture zone is located particularly in West Asian countries and North African countries. In West Asian countries, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, and so forth countries in West Asia. North African countries, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, and so forth countries. It is the second biggest culture, Islamic culture. Third one is Hindu culture. The Hindu culture is located in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and surrounding countries. Fourth one is Buddhist culture zone. It is in East Asian countries, China, Japan, Taiwan, and so forth countries. The fifth one is Southeast Asian culture zone. It is also called mixed culture zone because it consists of Christian culture, Hindu culture, Islamic culture. In Philippines, Christian culture is there. In Myanmar, Thailand, Buddhism culture is there. Indonesia, Malaysia, and surrounding countries, Islamic culture and Hindu cultures are there. Last sixth one is Negro culture. Negro culture is also called nomadic culture because particularly it belongs to tribes, those who are living in the tropical deserts of the world. Nomadic culture. Why this is called nomadic culture? Because these tribes frequently move from one place to other places. It is located Arabian Desert, Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Sonoran, and Great Australian, Great Victorian deserts, the tropical desert regions. So it is a brief classification of the world's culture zones: Western culture, Islamic culture, Hindu culture, Buddhist culture, Southeast Asian culture. It is located particularly in Southeast Asian countries. Negro culture is a classification of culture zones. Next topic, we are going to types of rocks. A group of minerals. A group of minerals is nothing but a rock. We can see three types of rocks throughout the world. One is igneous rocks or primary rocks. The second one is sedimentary rocks or secondary rocks. Third one is metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks are also called secondary rocks. First, we are going to discuss the primary rocks or igneous rocks. The igneous rocks form due to the consolidation of the rock liquid, interior of the earth and surface of the earth. Again, these rocks are classified into two types. One is internal rocks, the second one is external rocks. The rocks which form interior of the earth due to consolidation of the rock liquid are called internal rocks. Again, internal rocks are classified into two types. One is plutonic rocks, the second one is hypobasal rocks. The rocks which form more